Hey friend, I am so excited to have you here. Listen, if you are new, I'm Destiny. This video is simply giving you guys my everyday makeup look, my go-to makeup look if you're going out with the girls. This can be a simple date night. Listen, running a Bible study, whatever it is that you get into, this look is giving. It's neutral, it's simple, it's easy. And it's literally affordable. All the products that I use, I will show you, and I can put in the description below as well. But everything was affordable. The most expensive thing was probably one of the foundations I use, but that is very much so optional. Use what you have. But if you want to see this look and get more into this, definitely stay tuned. And honey, if you want the details on this good wig, this good lace, honey, these good highlights, comment down below and I'll definitely put a video out showing you guys just what I do to revamp my wigs, to install, and to customize my wig. But yeah, if you want to see this look, stay tuned. So the first thing that I'm starting off with is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is a red orange tint. And literally what this does is it's going to cover up all your red areas, all your dark spots. And even if you're having some strange, ungodly pimples trying to come up and stop your moment, girl, literally put this over those spots. And what this is going to do is allow those dark spots, the redness, to not show through your foundation. Because tip number one, if your skin is not good, not clean, not clear, it doesn't matter how great of a foundation, you're still going to see that through and you're not going to get that flawless look that you want. So I always start with this Pro Conceal color corrector to just make sure that I'm smoothing those areas out and making sure that I am literally blurring the dark spots. So the thing about getting a flawless application, you don't ever want to use a dry sponge because that's just smearing the makeup. It's not pressing it into your skin and really getting that smooth effect that you want. So you want to use a damp sponge and just kind of pat that in very light. You don't want to like pat it in too much because you want that redness to still be visible because it's clearing up those dark spots. So here I am showing you guys the first foundation that I'm going to use. It's the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage, and this is in the color Warm Sun. And I do mix it with my Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. So the reason why I mix my foundations, number one, I have a weird color. I'm very bright in my face, but my body is not that bright. So I always want to bring out my undertones, and my Juvia's Place is going to do that. It's going to give me that thick matte coverage, and it's going to bring out the deep undertone of my skin. But then the Superstay is a little bit more dewy, and it's closer to my color. So I do mix those in and blend them together, and I just feel like it gives me the perfect coverage. So here I'm just kind of mixing these, and I don't use a lot. You want to use a little bit because as you can see, I blended off camera just because, you know, it saves time and that's my business. But, you know, when you blend it in, you really get all of your tones, and that's what I love about mixing. So here I am using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and I'm using it in the color Tan Sand. So for me, and I do use two, again, concealers under my eye, I always start off with the lightest and just really bring out that brightness. But I start with the lighter color and go in and put a darker color on top so that I don't get crazy flashback, because I don't like that look. I don't think it's cute. But you know, that's me. And so here I'm just blending this in really good. You want to make sure you just really swipe left to right and blend. You want to pat and really get that into your pores. And the reason why I keep looking up looking real goofy is because I don't want my eyes to crease. And I do have heavy bags under my eyes, and I have a natural crease there, as you can see, coming out of the corner of my eye. So I really have to make sure that I'm blending well in that area because I don't want to get crazy creasing. Now I'm going to take my Holy Grail, and you literally can find this product at Target because a friend of mine actually got me hip to Makeup Revolution, and they are super affordable but quality. I promise you, you need this product. But I'm going to take this and literally start in the corner, in the crease of my under eye, and pat it in. You want to pat in one layer at a time and then just begin to work yourself outside of the eye. I'm telling you, I don't know why this technique works, but it does. And it stops the caking when you just use a little bit at a time and build as you go, just like you would with your eyeshadow. I'm telling you, you get that flawless under eye, that brightness that is given. Just do it, okay? Don't ask why, just do it. So y'all, quick disclaimer, do not talk about my palettes, okay? This is an everyday makeup look. So I use the same colors every day. Don't come for me. Okay, God bless. So now I'm literally going to take that same color in the Juvia's Place palette and I'm going to lightly apply that onto both sides of my nose. And what I'm doing here is literally just doing a light contour, snatching the nose in, getting that, you know, and we know what that sound means. So, and then I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush. You literally can find these brushes anywhere. Sephora, Ulta, Target, Walmart. Don't ask me what number it is. I don't know. But this is the fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to take that and literally just lightly dust and blend in that contour on my nose. And just make sure that everything is just coming together flawlessly. Now I'm going to take this same Real Techniques brush and I'm just going to begin to pat in that under eye powder. And what this is doing is it's allowing everything to just set and press into my face. It's allowing me to keep that light color, but I'm lightly just pressing that in because you don't want to lose all of your product. And then after I press all that in, I'm going to take this big duster brush. That's probably not the name, but you know, we're gonna do what it do. And I'm literally just going to begin to press and swipe, and that is going to again just make sure that you are just blending everything in but dusting that product off at the same time. And this is going to give you a very flawless under eye look. So here I'm going to take the BBS Promise line. This is a girl that used to do my eyebrows when I lived in Ohio, and I still use her products and order. Her products are amazing. I usually use her brow pomade, but for this look I use the NYX brow stencil. So, but this is literally, it looks like an eyeliner, but it's actually a lash adhesive. And I love this product because it's easy to stick my lashes, but it's also easy to pull them off. And that I love. And it looks like an eyeliner, so it's given 2-in-1. But I'm literally just going to apply this close to my lash line, very thin, not too much, and apply my lashes. So now to my favorite part, the lips. So I am using the MAC lip liner in the color Chesnut, my holy grail every day. I use this color for every lip combo. Doesn't matter where I'm going, what I'm wearing, unless I'm doing a red lip. I love it. It's velvety. It stays on for a very long time, and it just blends in well with any nude or pink lip combo. So honey, go get this MAC. I'm telling you, it will save your life. And then the gloss that I'm going to put on top of this to blend in is the NYX Butter Gloss, another holy grail. Y'all, you can get this from Target, Walmart, many hair stores here in Atlanta have them now. And I have this butter gloss in almost every color at this point. But the color that I'm using here in the video is going to be the Butterscotch. And I literally just apply a light layer of that and then kind of just blend it in. And then my secret to getting that really cute blended nude pink look is I put a pigmented gloss on top. And so this is called the LA Girls Glazed Lip Paint, and it's in the color Elude. It's super cute, but the thing about this, I think I got this from a hair store, y'all. But when I tell you it is so pigmented, you don't want to do too much because it'll just be overwhelming and it won't blend in well. Also, disclaimer, I know that my lash is coming off a little bit in the corner. I fix it off camera. Don't come for me, y'all. But I'm just going to blend that gloss in until I get the color that I'm looking for. And yes, girl, yes, you're cute. Yes, it's giving. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.